Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Vic, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to explain how Spotify pays artists. So guys, if you're an artist and you're wondering how you could make money from Spotify after uploading your song on Spotify, then this video is for you. So I'm going to break down how you can actually get paid from Spotify, or how you can actually make money from Spotify after releasing your song on Spotify. So guys, let's get started with the process now guys. So this is actually Spotify, and as you know, Spotify is actually the most popular music streaming platform in the world. Yes, so guys, if you release your song on Spotify, you will get paid. Alright, so guys, for those of you who don't know how you can upload your song to Spotify, it's very easy guys. I have so many videos on how you can actually upload your song on Spotify and other music streaming platforms, which I'm going to add at the end screen of this video. Alright, so if you actually want to get your song on Spotify, alright, I'm still going to share it in this video. All you need is a music distribution service platform. Alright, you just need a music distribution service platform to do that. So the most easy music distribution service platform I can recommend is TuneCore. Alright, there is DistroKid, there is United Masters, there is CD Baby, and so many other music distribution service platforms out there, but TuneCore happens to be one of the best, right? So guys, if you want to make money from Spotify, you have to use a music distribution service to upload or release your song on Spotify. So this is a music distribution service platform, TuneCore. So if you want to get started with TuneCore, all you have to do is to sign up for an account on TuneCore, and after that you have to choose the plan, and then you can release your song using TuneCore. If you look right here at the top, there's this add release button. If you tap on that, then you'll be asked whether to upload a single, album, or ringtone. Select single if that's what you want, or album if that's what you want to release. So if you select single, you can just go ahead and follow the process. By the way, I have a video on how you can upload your song on TuneCore so that you can have it released on Spotify and other music streaming platforms. I will add the video at the end screen of this one. All right, so you can check that out. So guys, once you have your song released on TuneCore and it's uploaded on Spotify, and now you're getting streams on Spotify, so you can just come right here. Let me head back. So at the top you see these are money and analytics. If you click on that, you can be able to see your analytics from there. Where I can see your the streams you're getting from your song and all that. But right now I don't have any song uploaded to TuneCore. But if you have a song uploaded to TuneCore, you'll be able to find your analytics right here. And if you head back to your dashboard, let me take you guys back to my dashboard. So this is actually my dashboard. So if you're having some streams on Spotify, people are streaming your song, then you'll be able to have some earnings appearing right here. You're going to see some earnings right here guys. So if you have these earnings right here, you can withdraw at any time. Again, I have a video on how you can withdraw your earnings from TuneCore, so you can check out the video. I will still add the video at the end screen of this one. So click, you can withdraw your earnings from here. So guys, this is how artists make their money on Spotify. You use a music distribution service to upload your song, and you can see your earnings from your music distribution service dashboard, and you can withdraw it at any time. So guys, this is basically how it works, right? So if you're an upcoming artist that's not under a label, you can do this independently on your own. You can do it on your own and make some money from it. Right, so that this is how Spotify pays artists. or this is how you can make money from Spotify after uploading your song. Alright, so guys, this is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful in any way. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. If you have any questions, drop your questions in the comment section below and I'll respond to it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.